As he was about to be led to the guillotine. Make a laugh, make a laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My dad said be an actor, my son. But be a comical one, they'll be standing in line for those old become monkey shine. Now you could study Shakespeare and be quite elite, and you could join the critics and have nothing to eat. Just look on a banana field, the world is your free. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh? My grandpa said go out and tell 'em a joke, but give it plenty of hope. Make 'em roar, make 'em scream, make 'em fall, but a waltz with a scene. They start off by pretending you're the down with the trick. The tingle is all over the place. And then you get a great because they fly in the face. Make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Make 'em laugh. Don't you? Oh, what? My dad. They'll be standing in line for the road.
Welcome to Hollywood. Approximately 10 minutes before talking pictures changed the industry forever.
Wait, pictures that talk?
Not exactly. In the old days, they called movies pictures, and in the beginning, they had no sound.
No sound? Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
Okay, now I'm confused. What do you mean when you say talking pictures? I mean, every movie that I know has talking in it.
Well, I need you to both transport yourselves back to the year 1927 when movies were silent.
Yes. You should always be silent during a movie, and you should turn off your cell phones too. I mean, there's this thing called respect.
No. I'm talking about the actors in the movie. The movie would be set to music, and the actors didn't have spoken lines. People came to see a story that was acted out silently.
Wow, I had no idea. So when did movies add sound to the actors?
Well, that'll come a bit later. Right now, let's get on with the show.
Scene 2, The Arrival.
The film opens outside the famous Grauman Chinese Theater. Its monumental pictures opening night for its latest black and white swashbuckler, The Royal Rascal, starring two famous silent film stars, Don Lockwood and his leading lady, the beautiful blonde bombshell Lena Lamont. Don Lockwood and Lena Lamont are king and queen of the silent screen, as favorite lovers of audiences around the world. As Monumental Pictures' greatest asset, the publicity department is working non-stop to create the rumor that Don and Lena are on the verge of becoming engaged to be married. Like so many other things in Tinseltown, this too is pure fiction.
The crowd can hardly contain themselves as Don and Lena step out of the limousine. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to be dazzled. There are a household name all over the world like bacon and eggs. Entering the red carpet is Don Lockwood and Lena Lamont. Are these rumors true that wedding bells are so annoying for you and Lena?
Well,
So Don, tell me your story and I want it from the beginning. The story of your success is an inspiration to young people all over the world.
Well, my motto has been instilled in me by my parents from the very beginning. Dignity. Always dignity.
Does that mean that?
Thank you both for your time, but I believe that the movie is about to begin. Thank you, and thank you all.
Scene 3, Don meets his new leading lady.
Tyler's mom, by autograph seekers and fans who tear his clothes, he desperately looks for a taxi.
Exasperated, he jumps onto a trolley. From there, he jumps into an open red convertible. The young lady driver who has rescued him shrieks in fright, thinking he's a criminal. But once he's identified as a movie star by a friendly police officer, she calms down, offers him a ride to Beverly Hills, and introduces herself as Kathy Selden.
So, you see my movies then?
Well, if you've seen one, you've seen them all.
Oh, really?
Acting means great parts, wonderful lines. Speaking of glorious words, Shakespeare, Ibsen.
So what's your lofty vision of what you sneer my humble profession?
I'm an actress on the stage.
Whoa, what are you in right now?
I'm not in a play right now, but I will be. I'm going to New York.
Oh, so you go to New York and then we'll all hear it, won't we? Kathy Selden as Juliet, Lady Macbeth, King Lear. You'll have to wear a beard for that one, of course.
Oh, you can laugh if you want, but at least the stage is a dignified profession.
Don is Hollywood royalty and is shocked that someone isn't impressed with his talents. Still, she catches his eye and he can't stop thinking about her.
And after parting ways after the ride, Don gets a surprise when Kathy pops out of a cake at a Monumental Pictures party.
All I do is dream of you the whole night through. With the dawn, I still go on dreaming of you. You're every thought, you're everything, every song I ever sing. Summer, winter, autumn, and spring. And were there more than 24 hours a day? Baby said, sweet content, dreaming away. When skies are gray, when skies are blue, morning, noon, and nighttime too. All I do the whole day through is dream of you.
Scene 3 continues.
A couple of weeks and misunderstandings later, Dawn and Kathy are well on their way to falling in love. Her talent and witty personality quickly wins her over. Leah Lamont is not happy with this news, to say the least. She plans to cause as much grief for Dawn as possible, because in her eyes, that's her man.
You know, the studio won't be happy with this new relationship either, especially since they're trying to make fans think that Don and Lena are in love.
Yes, but they have an even bigger problem. A new movie, The Jazz Singer, just came out, and it's all the rage. The actors have speaking lines, there's musical numbers, and people are saying that talkies will change movies forever.
Excuse me, guys, aren't you forgetting something?
No, I don't think so.
I'm Cosmo, Don's sidekick, partner, piano player.
Ring a bell. Yes, Cosmo, but aren't you supposed to be a man?
Well, look, we only have 1 week left, and our other male actor is only 6 years old.
Hey, don't underestimate me. Look at me, I'm smarty and handsome.
Anyway, you know that we've been working on a new upcoming movie that has lines and sound, and our premiere was a complete disaster. We couldn't get the sound to sync up with the actors' mouths. But Kathy has this great idea to turn our new movie into a musical. I think it'll be a hit.
thinks that Lena is still classy, refined. And then she speaks.
What do you mean, Don?
He means he does all the talking for a reason.
Wait a minute. I have a great idea. What if we let Lena sing all of her songs and speak all of her lines, except we dub Kathy's voice over Lena's?
Are you sure it will work?
Of course it'll work. You're brilliant, Cosmo.
I know I am.
Scene 5, diction class.
Ta te ti to tu. 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 What do you think I am, dumb or something?
No. Now let me hear one of your lines.
And I can't stand them.
And I can't stand it.
And I can't stand them. Can't. Can't.
Scene 5, part 2.
Around the rocks the rugged rascal ran.
Around the rocks, the rugged rascal.
Rugged rock.
Of course, rugged rocks. Don't mind him. This is my friend Cosmo.
How do you do?
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Marvelous.
Marvelous, Sally, marvelous.
Moses supposes his toes are roses.
But Moses supposes erroneously.
Moses he noses his toes are roses.
As Moses supposes his toes is to be. A Moses is a mo,
A rose is a rose.
a toes is a toes.
Moses supposes his toes are roses, as Moses supposes his toes
Erroneously.
Moses, he noses his toes aren't roses, but Moses supposes his toes to be.
In the last scene, Don has found true love with Kathy and is happy to be singing in the rain.